Joining us now is Pegasystems founder and CEO, Alan Trefler. Alan, welcome. So you started this company when I was in kindergarten, well over 40 years ago, let's just say. 3 years ago, the stock traded under 15 bucks a share. 6.5 months ago, at around 31. And we just had this big AWS outage, which is very different from what was happening in the mainframe era when you started this. So tell me, what are your plans for agentic AI, and how does the kind of reliability that businesses need fit into that?
Well, John, great to talk to you. Pega has been always committed to doing mission-critical things for our clients. And, we've gone through many technology transitions since your kindergarten days, starting in mainframes and obviously now operating very much in the cloud and very much using AI. But our whole point is to try to use AI, and agentic AI in particular, in a way that's, I think, quite distinguished from the ways our competitors are doing it, and that both makes it more reliable and candidly more performant as well.
So how do this quarter's results reflect that? And when you're seeing this acceleration in annual contract value, particularly in Pega Cloud, how should investors interpret that?
Well, we introduced a powerful technology called Blueprint, which is actually available on Pega.com. It's available free to any prospect, customer, or investor, and they can actually try it. And if you wanted to envision the way a business process should work, or you wanted to create a new bank, or you wanted to create a llama rental business, those are all things you can just type in to the AI and it will work with you. It will make it so that you can go from a concept to really a fully formed business idea and then build out most of the application for you. And customers are loving it. It's getting enormous enthusiasm, and it really makes a lot of this AI hype very, very real and very tangible. So we're seeing tremendous uptake of this and a lot of enthusiasm.
Alan, you guys at Pegasystems had some struggles about 2-3 years ago and did some reorganization. That's right around the same time when the world was starting to wake up to the potential of generative AI, and many of the trends that the company you've built seem to be fitting into pretty well now. Tell me, remind me, what were those changes that you made? How is that operationally positioning you now?
So Pega has always been known as having a very strong set of decisioning engines and a very powerful workflow capability. But I would say historically, it could be seen as a little complicated, and you needed to find knowledgeable and specialized people to be able to deliver it. When in 2022, we saw the ChatGPT and the other pieces start to come together, and they were so advanced, we realized we could use that in a whole new way. We could use that to completely rethink the way that people conceived of implementing a Pegasystem. And remember, a Pegasystem does workflows. It actually runs business processes, creates a system to control them, to actually optimize them. And that is a very powerful engine in lots of businesses. And what AI has done, what this Blueprint technology has done, is dramatically simplified and made more powerful the creation of these workflows.